This PC suddenly turns off while working. With this video, we are going to fix it, but let's go. The only problem that this old outdated PC has is overheating. So device detects that okay, the CPU temperature goes high and didn't fell off. So it automatically turns off the system to protect its hardware. If you have this problem, the first thing that you need to do is remove the components that are connected to your PC, like the GPU, RAM, and the fan of the CPU. Okay, remove them, clean them, and after that, reassemble them. The other thing that you need to do is change thermal paste, and the final one, if you did these things and you didn't success and the PC turns off, you need to change the power supply of your device. There are tons of videos on the internet that show you how you can test the power supply of your computer. So at first test it and then buy another one. This is the cool thing that you need to know. If you want to monitor your CPU and GPU temperature on your taskbar, you need to watch this video. See you there.